Our compound fertilizer production line is a system that converts chemical powders, nitrite, phosphorus, potassium, as major components into fertilizer granules. Step 1. Batch different materials precisely and automatically at set ratio. Step 2. Blend batched materials fast and homogeneously ensure a balanced nutrient content in final products. Step 3. Produce high-quality compound fertilizer granules with various formulas and specifications by wet granulation technology. Step 4. Dry the granulated fertilizer material with a certain humidity for long-time storage and hardness strengthening. Step 5. Reduce fertilizer granules temperature in the granulation and drying process to ensure product stability. Step 6. Separate fertilizer granules from different sizes to ensure product uniformity. Unqualified granules will be into the crusher for regranulation. Step 7. Coat qualified granules with required materials to improve fertilizer stability, strength, efficacy, and appearance. Step 8. Pack final coated fertilizer granules into bags as required weights. Step 9. Automatically stack bags of compound fertilizer on pallets in a predefined pattern. By dedicated equipment manufacturing, our compound fertilizer production line can produce formulated compound fertilizer automatically, continuously, and efficiently as customer farming requirements.